Make sure that you're of equal length. I've been getting a lot of questions on how I tie my wrapper. Okay, there are several styles you can use to tie a wrapper. I chose to tie mine this way. There are several styles and they are quite simple. And I'm going to show you how you could style wrapper in different styles, right? So first of all, you need to get a wrapper, okay, and ensure that in a wrapper there is usually a part that looks new and a part that looks faded. So the part that looks new should be on top, right? If you want to tie it, if you're going to tie it, the part that looks new should be facing the audience, right? So you need to figure that out. Then after that, try to put the two edges together and make sure that they are of equal length. Okay? Now the next thing you need to ask yourself is, do I want the wrapper to be long on my body or I want it to be short? For me, I usually use the short format, right? So what you need to do is to fold it a little to the length you want. For me, I usually want it to be on my knee levels or just a little above my knee. Okay, so this is it. So you just have to fold it a little to this length. Okay, now we are going to tie first, not the part that is open, not this open part that you put the edges together. No, you're going to tie the other part, right? So this is what I do. I've tied. This is what I do. So this is it. All right. So then you put it over your waist, right? Make sure that they are of equal length. So you have to check it out, ensure that they are on the same level. Then you tie this part. Okay. So now you need to be sure that you want to tie this and you don't want it to be very tight on your body or very loose. That depends on what you want, okay? Because for me, I make it to be a little loose so that to be able to allow me move my waist. So you tie it this way. All right. This is how this is how it should look on your body. So look at it. This is how it should look on your body. See the other part. Okay? That's how it should look on your body. That's quite simple. And this is the first style. Okay? So I'm going to show you the second one.